Top of the morning to everyone, my name is DANIYAL VIDS and welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to make your desktop look a bit more cleaner and a bit more fresher, because a lot of times I've seen that people have their desktop in a very cluttered manner, in a very unorganized manner, which every time you open up your laptop you feel less productive and a bit more frustrated looking at all those icons popping up. So today I'm going to tell you how to make your laptop look a tad bit cleaner, and how to make your mood fresher. So let's get
okay. So first of all, we are on our desktop. You can see there are no transparencies, there is no color grading, nothing is in order, in a proper order. So first of all, we're gonna go and right click on the taskbar, and we are going to open the taskbar settings. After all, you're gonna have to leave all these settings. Look at all these settings, you're just gonna have to leave them everything. First of all, you're gonna put the taskbar in the center. It just brings a better aesthetic feel to your desktop. So this is probably the most first change that you can ever have onto your desktop. Next, open Google Chrome and search for Rainmeter. After all, Rainmeter adds widgets to your desktop, so we're gonna have to go and download Rainmeter. Now that Rainmeter is downloaded, let's just quickly install Rainmeter. And after installing Rainmeter, I'm gonna tell you what to do next. Now click finish, and the setup guide for Rainmeter is over. Okay, so let's open up Chrome again, and now we're going to search for Rainmeter clocks. And there are a lot of clocks, but I'm going to choose this one for this particular setup. You can, however, choose any clock you like. And now I'm just going to download this clock, and we're going to have to open Rainmeter to apply this clock. Now let's just open Rainmeter firstly. Okay, it firstly crashed. Okay, this wasn't actually a crash, this actually was the permission. Let's just grant the permission to Rainmeter and open Rainmeter for the first time. As you can see, the clock is not showing up. So first of all, we're gonna have to go to the file explorer, and we're gonna have to install. After the installation, you can see shadow clock is now appearing. Double click on that, and you just load this in right up there. You can now see that we have the widget on our desktop. Now what I can do is I have opened the click through section, which means that you cannot click on the clock, and every time you just click on the clock, Rainmeter opens. You just definitely don't want Rainmeter to keep popping up onto your desktop for no apparent reason. Another thing which I like to do to customize my desktop is go to personalization and go to colors. And after going to colors, you're going to scroll down all the way and turn both of these toggles on. What it does, it applies the color of your wallpaper to your taskbar, to your start menu, your notification panel, and also the control center. Another thing which I also like to do, you can just see every single thing right here, and also it applies the transparency mode. You can also turn that on if you want. Another thing which I like to do is go to the view section and hide all these icons, because no one really uses a lot of these icons. You basically have all these icons in the start menu. You can just put them. Next, we're gonna just have to download a regular wallpaper. I'm using this wallpaper for this particular setup, and I'm going to set the background. As you can see that the start menu and the taskbar have automatically changed the colors, and we're going to also have to put this on our lock screen for consistency. As you can see that our setup is already done, it's finished. And yeah, this is the final setup for the laptop that just made in 5 minutes.
Anyway guys, this was it for today's video. I know this video was a bit more shorter than other videos, but this is a real problem that I see in people's laptops when I'm sitting in libraries or in classes. People, they just have a very frustration filled desktop, which also makes me frustrated, and I just wonder what the user is feeling like. So if you have a better layout in mind, you can just always comment down below. Let me know if you like the current layout that I just made, and you can just like the video also. And in order to support the channel, you can also subscribe to the channel. Anyway, this was it for today's video. Catch you guys in the next one.